Who loves math? You want math? Do you know the meaning of math? What is the meaning of math? 2 plus 2. The meaning of math is merienda, agahan, tanghalian, hapunan. And I love math. No. Yes! Alex, what is your favorite subject in school?
English.
Huh?
English.
O, sige. Do you know how to spell a word?
Yes, of course.
O, sige. Spell the word dog. Spell the word dog.
D.
Oh, very good. Next letter.
Hindi ko na alam.
Galingan mo na mamaya lang ako eh. Ready, go! Spell the word dog.
D-O-G.
Oh, very good. Now, spell the word cat.
C-A-T.
Oh, very good. Spell the word train.
L-R-T.
Spell the word chicken.
K-F-C.
How about ketchup?
U-F-C.
Okay, how about the word? Spell the word horse.
Kabayo.
No. Starts with the letter H. Alright.
H.
Next letter.
O.
Next letter.
R.
Naiinit si Sir. Naiinit. Bilisan mo ng konti, ha? Hanggang alas 6 lang tayo dito. Go!
H. O.
Kasi mo, naiinit din. Bilisan mo.
Yan. Tigilig.
Bakit mo pinasakit mo?
Sabi mo eh.
Birthday ngayon ni Dwayne. Sabi mo nga, Happy Birthday, Dwayne. Happy
New Year.
Birthday na eh. Happy,
Valentine's.
Happy,
Fiesta.
hindi, nagagalit si Dwayne. Sabi mo, Happy Birthday.
Happy birthday, Queen. Mama, you.
Alright, yes. Hold your light. What parts of Alex's face do you want to erase? The eyes, eyebrows.
Wala na akong kilay. Pangit ko.
What else? The mouth. Alright, let's erase everything. Alright, everybody, clap your hands for